Spy Glasses. You know BJ's Misadventures? I know that guy. He come over here in my stream. Siyang giyaw ni. Siyang ginaw is yaw ni Sally. I'm always yawning, mighty righteous. Mm-hmm. GPP Gen updates. Thank you for coming. Thumbs up, the kid host. Thanks for dropping by. I'm connected to you. Thank you, JP. Excuse me. Sorry. Oh, from Carol Blank. Ah, okay. Thank you. Sorry for my burp. 605? Is it your real channel, JP? Your legit channel or your ninja account? Hit that like button from Mighty Righteous. Mighty piggy oink. Piggy oink oink. Piggy oink. Piggy. Fallen angel. Thank you, Fallen Angel, for coming. Ninja account. all the light, all the likes for Shangy girl. Thank you, Latikas. Who is Mighty Righteous anyway? I don't know him. I don't know that guy. He is a piggy man, piggy oink oink. Right, maybe. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oops. The piggy oink oink guy. Happy, joy, happy, joy. Happy, joy, happy, joy. Happy, joy, joy. Happy, joy, happy, joy. Happy, joy, happy, joy. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, happy, joy. Oh my connection. Happy, joy song. Yes, one of my favorite song. Fallen Angel. Where is Fallen Star? Where is he? My Nautica's friend. Where is you? Where is me? Nautica's Fallen Star has the big piggy with all the names on it.